Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats, and welcome to my channel. I have a box from E.L.F. And did y'all know that E.L.F. is for every eye, lip, and face? That's what E.L.F. means, okay? So they usually send in a nice box like this, very sturdy box. And it does say on it that it's 100% of this box and packing material are recyclable and sourced from sustainable forests. So that's very good to hear. Okay, I didn't get very much. They had a little sale going on. Actually, what happened is they sent me an email. I have some, if you buy from them, you get points. And I was gonna lose some points if I didn't use them. And so, just because they expire after so long. And you know, you can see how nicely this is wrapped. So I got $10 off. So I think my bill here is $29 and I paid $19. So it says everything in this box was made to thrill. Whether you rock a full beat or kick it low key, we're here to give you everything you need to explore your creativity. So win with clean skin and enjoy guilt-free play with major payoff. Express yourself. That's what it says right there. Smudge is trying to come around the camera here. See, this has layer after layer, which is great. It keeps everything safe in there. I didn't get very much, but these kinds of things will be added to my giveaways, basically. Smudge, you want to come over here? I'm going to put that box down. Let me show you what we got. All right, so Smudge, okay. How funny that the first thing we're getting is a smudge brush. This is an E.L.F. smudge brush. Let me see. I did print the invoice. This is. Oh, these were $1.60, $1.60. They are smudge brushes. So I got two of them because I got one for me and I got one for y'all. So let me see. I'm gonna open it up. I don't need any brushes, but I do like certain brushes you just, you know, have an affection for, and I like a good smudge brush. So that's what that is. So it'll smudge out whatever you're working on. So. And their brushes are nice. It's a wood handle and it's white, and it does say on it, E.L.F. Smudge. Smudge, you have a brush named after you? Okay, so that's it. And then I got this brush, and I was thinking I got this for myself, but I don't know. This is the Precision Eyeliner Brush. And the reason I got this was because I was going to, I don't know, maybe do some eyelining with it. I do have, like I said, I have many brushes. I'm gonna just leave it in here for now. You can see what a tight, yeah, can you see what, well, it's a white head, so it's hard to see, but it's a very tight, you know, for doing under your eyes or you know, eyelining, for eyelining. So that was, I mean, I'm not touching it, I'm just putting it's wrapped up nicely, putting it back in. And see, their packaging is nice too. This was $2.40. Nice brush, nice brush. And then we have a couple of palettes, and I have gotten these before. I had one of these in one of our giveaways already in my treasure trove, and I just like them. They're beautiful. And I had, when I originally bought it, I bought it so that I would use it, and then I didn't do it. So this time I got two, one for you guys and one for me, but you know, if I'll use it or not, because y'all, if you could see my little tiny house and all the palettes I have, and I give away a lot of palettes. I don't use a lot of palettes, but I just want you to see the wonderful way they package things, okay? So it's in a great box, you know, it's for the store and it'll hang, you know. And then look at how nice it is. It's just a nice plastic case, and it says Velvet Touch Eyeshadow. And when you open it, opens nicely, just like that. On this side is a mirror, and then here are the colors. It has a plastic on it that is on there very nicely. I'm not sure I can get it off. It's, okay. Well, I'm trying to get it off. I'm just wondering about, I like these colors. Okay, so anyway, that says E.L.F. on it. And these are beautiful. See, they're not quite my colors, but I still like it. So I'm keeping this one. All right, I've got one for you guys and one for me. Let me show you the next thing, and then I'm gonna swatch that. I'm gonna swatch that palette. This was interesting. Okay, so this is a whole kit, okay? This is too big to fit into my treasure trove giveaway. I did think, the picture that they showed a lot of things. So I wasn't quite sure what it actually was gonna be, but after I bought it, this was $14.40 on sale from $18. Not that big of a sale. But it said, after I bought it, it said, it finally said what it was. And it's the Jelly Poppin' Skincare Set. So there's a watermelon glitter face mask here. So that sounds like maybe a peel-off mask. It might be a wash-off. Then there's a water gel moisturizer. That looks, if you can see it, I can take it out of here because I'm not going to keep it in here. I'm going to put these, well, of course, it's wrapped so nice. Well, maybe I'll keep it that way for now. Watermelon Jelly Cleanser. So it's all watermelon stuff. This right here is a water gel moisturizer, and that looks so pretty in there. There's little bubbles in there. It looks like dippity-doo. But of course, it's for your face. It's not for your hair. But it has a nice pump on top. Really pretty gift. Yeah, I may keep that wrapped up until I'm ready to see if I'm going to give it individually or what. So let's swatch. I did not think about let's swatch, but I'm going to swatch. So these 6 colors, they're not written on the palette. They look like they're all shimmers. Maybe not. They have lines in them, so they sort of look shimmery. Let's see. Velvet Touch eyeshadow palette. Use the fingertip to gently top the shadow, blah, blah, tells you how to use it. Well, I don't see that they have any color names. Okay. The whole palette itself is called Island Breeze. And I'm looking at the box, and I do not, there's some information there, just the velvet is, I don't see color names. So that's okay, we just won't worry about the color names. Okay, so, oh, they're like, oh wow, they're creamy. Okay. Okay, if you can see that, it's very creamy. That's this one, the brown. And then this gold, look at that. So they're different. They're just very creamy. Oops, I should have showed you that as I did it. That gold is fabulous. But the brown did not swatch real nice. Let me try again. It's just, it's funny. It feels so funny. Let's see. Okay. Let me get... All right, this one I'm going to do on 2 different hands. This is this one here, okay? Very, very pretty. Well, goodness sakes, how did I manage to do this messy? I don't know. Well, they're very nice, but nothing spectacular. Here I thought they were, I don't know why I thought they'd be spectacular, but they're not. They just are very strange. They're very, very creamy. They're not the kind of thing that I think I'm going to use because they're too creamy. Creamy things tend to, on hooded eyes, for me anyway, they crease. So I mean, even with a primer, this is that, let's see, very light. All right, so I'm going along, this one is here, this one is the silver. Wait, now I lost myself. 1, 2, 3. Okay, yeah. This is that salmon. This one is, that's gorgeous. This one here. And then that silvery one over there is there. So let's do it on this hand and then we'll put them together. So that's very, very light. Very, very, well, I'm not doing the best job of showing y'all or of talking this product up. Very, very light. Nice everyday colors. It does look better on my skin than it does on the camera. That gold is really pretty. That is gorgeous, that burgundy. These others, you can see them, but like I can hardly see that salmon-y one. I don't like this Velvet Touch. And all right, I've been using some cream blushes because I have them. So I'll use them because I have them. But, you know, if they're if it's gonna be, I don't know, that one's nice. Just some of these are just, it's just like, I don't know. It's just completely creamy and I don't care for that. So I like a powder. I'll try it though. I mean, I will try them. I will try it. Anyway, so that's what I was giving you one for a bonus. If you're playing the Treasure Trove bonus giveaway, this will be in there, okay? So it is a little bit different. I shouldn't say disappointing because that payoff is beautiful. And these are just lighter, so they probably need to be built up a little bit. You can hardly see, this is very, very light. That looks more like a highlighter than an eyeshadow there. Maybe you're catching glimpses of it. They are beautiful colors, but that creamy, I don't get that Velvet Touch eyeshadow palette. I don't get that from the box, that it was gonna be creamy. The soft velvety eyeshadow provides radiant color with a dewy finish. Oh, that should tell me, I suppose. The mix of satin and shimmery hues creates dramatic dimension on the lid. It's light like a powder, but melts into the skin like a cream. Now, and that's not, I don't know. It is creamy. It's creamy, and that's what it is, no matter what they say. So anyway, anyway, that's it. I got the brushes and the smudging brush, and let's see if that smudging brush works. See, I love that smudging brush. I love a smudging brush. It really, you know, it's already dried up a little bit. Well, they dry fast, so that's good. Maybe it won't be a problem. I don't know. Anyway, that's my E.L.F. Not much there. You know, they often have sales. Excuse me, they often have sales. So keep a watch for that. If you like E.L.F., E.L.F. is very reasonable, and they have a lot of great products. And they do have nice brushes and nice gift sets. You know, like I said, this is a nice gift set, y'all. And if you can get something on sale and then, you know, save it for a little bit for whatever you might need it for, it comes in handy to save a little money. And when you buy from them, you know, and you join, they give you points for what you spend. And I don't spend a heck of a lot of money on there, but I had some points that were expiring and I can't remember how it works, but I got $10 off my order. So, and they still shipped it to me. You had to spend a certain amount to get the free shipping. And they shipped this to me free, even though I used the coupon. The coupon brought me below, I think it was $25, because it says my total was $27.62. That was with the tax. And I got the $10 discount, and I got the free shipping. So, you know, that was worth it. So anyway, y'all, thanks for stopping by, seeing my E.L.F. products, and y'all take care and count your blessings. Bye.